1959 Chevrolet Apache 3100 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 350 V8 power underneath the hood. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, all-wheel disc brakes, AC. Take a look at the chrome and bright work up here. That iconic 59 front end. Bright blue in color really makes this truck pop. If you want to see the still pictures, so you'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on polished 5-spoke American racing wheels, radial tires. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. You can see the paint has a nice shine to it. It's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches that I've come across. Kind of check it over both sides for you. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at the interior. Gray vinyl bench seat, some aftermarket gauges. We'll get around to that in just a bit. First, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome looks like it's in good shape on the rear bumper. We noticed a spray-in bed liner on the sides, diamond plating on the bed. Fuel tank has been relocated to under the bed. You'll be able to see that in the underside pictures also, as well as the rest of the pics at uniqueclassiccars.com. Take a peek down this driver's side. Again, have not noticed any major nicks, dings, scratches. Might have a couple touch-up spots here or there. But overall, good truck for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Take it out on Sundays, have a little fun with it. So two-tone interior with the gray and silver combo. Got a little wear here in certain spots in that vinyl seat. I have had the radio working, kind of has a retro sound style radio. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Again, 350, automatic transmission paired to it, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Do have a vacuum gauge down here that is working. Temp gauge underneath the tag here. That was a cold start, so I would expect that to be up. Voltmeter, it's like oil pressure. Fuel gauge is up here. Like I said, stereo is working. So stereo powers up, but speakers may not be hooked up. Did not get sound out of it. I just noticed it did power up before, so I mentioned that. So make you aware of that. Looks like stereo's got power to it, or maybe speaker system needs a little TLC. Good sounding truck. Nice stance to it too. Good looking stance to that truck. Let's slip up to the front. We'll check out the engine bay. And remember, stick around to the very end of the video. And we're going to take this for a drive, put the camera in it. Take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Show you what it's like going down the road. But first, let's look at that engine bay. There's a look at the underside of the hood. And engine bay. So again, power steering, power brakes, four-wheel disc, headers, aluminum radiator. AC compressor up top there, 4-barrel carb. Heater hoses, everything's still hooked up. HEI ignition. (1959) Chevrolet Apache 3100. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the pictures. 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1959 Chevrolet Apache. We have a retro sound style radio in the dash. It does power up and change stations, but I'm not getting any audio. Might need some speakers hooked up. Nice running truck.